Good morning. Barry here again from BoaTmanZA. This morning I'm just going to be making a quick educational or instructional video for the BoaTman Actor GPS unit. I'm going to be using the Pro Boat, but basically this video is just going to be for instruction on how to use the GPS. And yeah, but first what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run you through the remote unit itself, and then I will explain to you all the buttons and everything. So yep. So basically here we have the remote unit, that is the GPS unit. And I'm going to run through the buttons as you see them. On the top left hand corner we have the auto forward and the compass calibration button. That's that little button over there. And basically if you hold that button in for a short while, the boat will go auto forward for a minute. If you hold it in for a longer hold, you take the boat about 5 meters out, which I'll show you later. Then a long hold it will start beeping, and then it'll do the calibration on the boat. And then on the right hand side over there at the top is the home position. That's for setting your home position. And then your other buttons, the center button is the guide to the destination, so that's your destination key over there. The left arrow and the right arrow are just for moving through the screen itself, and the one below the left arrow is the save or delete button for your destination or for your waypoint. So you would use that one to set your waypoint. Next to that one we have the return to home button. So if you press that, once the boat is out, the boat will come back. The yaw adjustment is if the boat is not running in a straight line, you would hold in the yaw. If it's pulling to the left, you would hold the yaw in, and then you would use the joystick to steer the boat to the right. If it's doing it the other way around, then you would do it the opposite way around. The bottom left button we have over here is the light switch, and then the center one is for the mid hopper, and the right hand bottom one is for the back hopper, and the bottom button is your power button. So basically that is the GPS unit. If I can show you a bit closer through the screen itself, in the top left hand side of the screen you have the signal, you have the units. You can adjust your units to meters and feet, shows the direction of the boat. Then it also gives you the battery strength of the boat and the battery strength of the remote control itself. Excuse me. Then we have the home position over there. Before you set the home position, that H over there will be in red, and then that shows you your distance between home and your boat is the H004. The P999 would be the distance between the boat and the destination point, and the N999 distance between the boat and the memory point itself. So that's wherever you set a waypoint, it'll give you that distance there. Then there we have a mid hopper status and a back hopper status. They've both got Y. That could either be a Y or an N, depending on how you've set it up. And then we have a row from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way up to 16. So if you use the right hand button, you can then navigate through those numbers over there, and left hand will take you back again. So this one shows the 2 waypoints. The destination points have already been set on this. Now to be able to cancel those destination points, basically what you would do is you would choose which destination point you're looking at. It'll have a little red block around the number, and you can then just long hold the destination point, or the waypoint button. You can long hold that will then delete it. So yes, pretty straightforward. Also another thing, once you have sent your boat out and you have set your destination, when you press the destination, it's going to ask you what you want to do. You then need to go and choose whether you want the center hopper or the rear hopper to automatically open, or basically you can just ignore that, and if you once again press the destination key, the boat will then automatically go to the destination, and you can then open the either the center hopper or the rear hopper manually. So the continuation, this is part 1 of the video. The part 2 of the video I'll be doing at the water at the Hillcrest Quarry down here in Cape Town.